Hey there, pop culture fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the fascinating world of charisma and allure. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of charisma and allure with a concept that's as iconic as it sounds: the Marilyn Monroe effect. Marilyn Monroe, a name synonymous with glamour and magnetism, has left an indelible mark on pop culture. Ever wondered why certain people just have that magnetic charm, that inexplicable allure that makes everyone gravitate towards them? Let's unlock the secrets to making everyone obsessed with you. Imagine having the power to captivate a room just by walking in. First things first, let's talk about Marilyn Monroe herself. She was more than just a Hollywood star. She was a phenomenon. She wasn't just a pretty face, she had an aura that captivated everyone around her. Her presence was electric, and her charm was undeniable. What made her so irresistible? What was it about her that made people fall head over heels? Confidence, authenticity, and a sprinkle of mystery. Confidence is key. It's the foundation of the Marilyn Monroe effect. Marilyn exuded confidence in every move she made, every word she spoke. She owned her space and made sure everyone knew it. She embraced her uniqueness and turned it into her superpower. She didn't try to fit in, she stood out. So, here's the first tip. Embrace who you are. Celebrate your individuality and let it shine. Own your quirks because that's what makes you, you. Next up, authenticity. Marilyn was genuine. She was real. She wasn't afraid to show her true self, flaws and all. She was unapologetically herself. People are drawn to authenticity like moths to a flame. It's refreshing in a world full of pretense. Be real with people and they'll be real with you. Authenticity builds trust and deep connections. Now let's sprinkle in some mystery. A little enigma can make you even more fascinating. Marilyn had this enigmatic vibe that kept people intrigued. She was an open book with a few missing pages. Don't spill all your secrets at once. Keep some things to yourself. A little mystery goes a long way in keeping people hooked. It adds an element of surprise and curiosity. Share enough to be relatable, but keep some things just for you. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about body language. Body language plays a huge role in the Marilyn Monroe effect. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Marilyn's movements were graceful and deliberate. She knew how to use her body to communicate effectively. Practice good posture, make eye contact, and don't be afraid to use those hand gestures to emphasize your points. These small changes can make a big difference. And let's not forget the power of a smile. Marilyn's smile was legendary. It was warm, inviting, and genuine. A genuine smile can light up a room and make you instantly more approachable. It's a universal language of kindness. So, flash those pearly whites and watch the magic happen. A smile can break barriers and create connections. Lastly, surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with can greatly influence your energy and outlook. Marilyn had a circle of people who lifted her up. Positivity is infectious. It spreads like wildfire. Be the person who brings good vibes and people will naturally gravitate towards you. Your energy is your greatest asset. So there you have it. The secrets to the Marilyn Monroe effect: confidence, authenticity, a touch of mystery, engaging body language, and a dazzling smile. These elements combined can make you truly magnetic. Channel your inner Marilyn Monroe and watch as people become irresistibly drawn to you. It's all about embracing your unique self and letting your light shine. Alright, pop culture aficionados, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Marilyn Monroe effect. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and fascinating content. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep shining.